the latest software version WWDC on 22nd of June. I installed the beta version. You can see my iPhone 6s is running the latest software version. So to install this software, you have to have a developer account. That's the legal way. You have to pay, I think it's $99, shilingi 10,000 za Kikenya per annum. Of course, kuna njia mkato. There's always another way. It's free. You can see here I paid nothing. I have you have to install the beta software profile so that you can qualify to get the update. You can install this and you can just download this profile. Make sure you use an Apple browser, so do not use Safari. I'll leave the link in the description below. So the first thing I'll show you is wallpaper. We have a new wallpaper. I think it's like we have 3 new wallpaper, 1, 2, 3. They're dynamic, so they will change with they'll dynamically. So you can see Australia when we toggle on dark mode, and boom, your wallpaper is into darkness. Okay, back to the video. One big thing with iOS 14 is home widgets on home screen. You can see here I have a widget, my battery. I have a widget. This is a smart start and a weather widget, and it's so easy to add widgets. You just click on anything, edit your home screen, and you see a button here to add, and you can add your widget. Comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. You can place it anywhere. You can drag it, put it on another, drag it, and you can add on another widget to do a start. One more thing you can do is get rid of an entire page. So you just click here and I can do away with this page, and boom, this page is gone, and I can bring it back. So they added one more features here called the app library. So you can hide your apps and or the pages, and all your apps will appear here. You swipe and they are in alphabetical order. All my apps, boom. In messages you can there's one more thing. I can pin my message, and there's that you can mention somebody with the art like the way you do in Twitter or Slack. Nothing new here. Picture in picture mode, that's my favorite. Let me show an example. I'm on sender here. I'm playing this my video, and I toggle here this, and I can go home, and man, I'm rocking picture in picture mode. I'm rocking this. You can see it and resize, move it anywhere, and oh my, I love this. This is my favorite part. I love this. You can swipe, it's back, and you can dismiss. Okay, I've run into issues. Small one, this control center had an issue. App library crashed, and I just rebooted, and everything went back to normal. Here is some more widgets, and this is a smart start. You can see dynamical changes with the day, and that's all for iOS 14. Of course, we are expecting to get to change our default browser and mail. That's not in this beta. And some more things, like we have a new translate app just towards like the Google app, but I think the Google app does better. We have this that's all guys for iOS 14. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just like, subscribe to this channel, and you can hit me on Twitter in case you want to try this at ianjoroge120. I will leave description to get in the profiles for free.